Hello guys, welcome to first class of physics with me, and yeah, let's get started right away. Straightforward, chop chop. Okay, today's the first lesson, therefore we'll be talking about the basics. And the very basic part is the symbol itself, which is megameter, mm, and mm sort of means megameter itself, and this capital M, oops, it's mega. Yeah, just remember that. Yep, CS is centisecond. Make sure you guys remember this U. It means micro, and this G, of course, is grams. And the one thing that you must remember is the very prefixes of these, which are mm, the capital M in mm, the C in CS, and the U symbol here. Yeah, the U symbol in UG. And so the basics tips in physics when you're solving problems is that you must convert all units when problem solving to meters, kilograms, and seconds. And make sure you guys memorize the powers of 10 that correspond to the common prefixes, as it says right in this presentation that I've suffered hardly to create. So you guys must appreciate this. And how do I convert all of these? You must remember these. 1 mega mm equals to 10 to the 6th power of meters, or 1 million meters. 1 CS is 10 to the negative second seconds, or 1/100th of a second. Let's repeat. 1 mm equals to 10 to the 6th meter, 10 to the 6th power of meters, or 1 million meters. 1 CS is 10 to the negative second seconds, or 1/100th of a second. 6 UG, or megagram, equals to 6 times 10 to the negative 6 grams, or 6 millionth of 1 gram. Yeah. Okay, so here's some examples. 8 mm equals to 8 times 10 to the 6 meters, 10 to the 6th power of meters. And remember, 1 megameter is just 10 to the 6th, but 8 of megameters, 8 megameters is sort of means you have 8 of megameters, which is 8 times megameter. Yeah. And 15 microgram, sorry, is 15 times 10 to the negative 6 grams, which means 15 microgram is 15 microgram means there's 15 of micrograms, which means 15 times microgram itself, which is 10 times negative 6th power, 10 to the negative 6th power grams. Same to 9 CS, which is centisecond. 9 times centisecond is 9 times 10 to the negative 2nd power seconds. Alright? Okay, let's get to the next part of this. Physics. Scientific notations, finally. What scientific notation is just one formula. M times 10 to the nth power, which M represents a number, just a number, greater or equal to 1 and less than 10, which is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, but not 10. And N here represents power of 10, but it has to be integer, like negative or numbers like that, but not one of those decimals or fractions. So here's some examples. 526 to scientific notation is 5.26 times 100, which equals to 5.26 times 10 to the 2nd power. How do I find this out? First of all, 526 is way higher than 10, which means you must multiply divided by 100, which equals to 5.26 times 100. And you have to change this into 10 times n, 10 to the negative 10 to the nth power, which means 5.26 times 10 to the second power is 5.26 times 100. Not that complicated. So, if you have a decimal number, how do I change this into scientific notation? Well, 3.27 times 1 over 10,000, which equals to 0.000327. Now, as you can see, 0.000327 is less than 1. So, equals this. 3.27 times 10 to the negative fourth power. And remember, the negative, if there's a negative power, then it's a fraction over 1. Alright? Thank you for listening to the very first physics class with Royce Kim. I hope you guys enjoyed this, learned something with it, and yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next episode.